Yo, what's up, homies? This is our first time ever reacting to J-Hope Airplane music.
Oh yeah, we've only reacted to Plot.
But, don't let me react to part 2 with you.
Platinum.
Alright, part 1, let's go into the video. Please check out our Patreon. We have videos there, blocked ones and whatnot. And
Wait, but is it gonna give Spanish vibe again?
No, I don't know. Probably it's a completely different song.
Let go.
Ow.
And I love the toy. Wait, is this South Korea?
Damn, South Korea looking slick. Oh, I swear.
Whoa.
Damn, so the thing.
That's good.
I mean,
This is not Spanish. This
it's
is
not Spanish. Job and Blue Sky. Banjo.
That's this one.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that one. Well, anyway, still on the
Okay, I love that rap part. I love the rap verse.
Yeah.
Like that was a very good one. That was a very, very good one.
Let's go.
Hey, now that's the vibe.
First class, you know, the first class thing.
That's a different kind of flex.
Yep.
That was the spot they play part 2. Gonna cut it. Yeah. Oh. I swear. Yeah. Wow, the fun.
Calm down. Breathe.
Seeing this right now,
Yeah?
it's crazy. The fact that they can actually put this in a Spanish type of beat. Like, you get what I mean?
Are they going to give credit of Airplane Part 2 to J-Hope? Like J-Hope featuring
Yeah.
the 6 boys?
I mean, that's how it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Because that was actually crazy though. Like, wow.
I didn't even stress himself to write this.
I swear, just copy paste.
I don't know. This ad-libs, was it the one that did it or there's a bit of sugar and I'm doing it? I'm getting those vibes from it, I swear. This is the part I was supposed to say it. Drinking champagne, man. Man just flexed, man. He flexed.
Yeah. Aeroplane is not passing.
I'm flying first class now. What are you talking about, man? Wait, why does this place feel like where they did that dance?
Black Swan.
Black Swan. This particular place.
What's it called?
Outside group. Yeah, that group. That
Yeah.
looked empty.
Yeah.
What you on about, mate?
Man was just flexing throughout this video, and like,
Wow.
why you gonna do that?
I actually like this one though.
I love
Yeah.
it. I love it. Yeah.
Was
I'll give it
Slow
a solid
vibe, but-
8.5. Sorry, 8.59. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that's dope airplane music video. Tell us more music video you think we've not seen. Because to be honest, we checked through Bantan, Kenya, and we've seen like almost everything. So let us know guys in the comment section if there's one you think you haven't seen, and we'll see you next time guys.
Peace out.